Starbucks to discontinue disposable cups in South Korea by 2025. Could this be an indication of potential plans elsewhere, possibly everywhere? The company runs through roughly 7 billion single-use cups every year, and it has long struggled to cut down on waste from those cups. They've been setting more goals for sustainability and aim to eventually become resource positive. But see, here's the problem, Will. For everybody who was a part of the reusable cup, who was like fully on board, then Corona hit. And if you couldn't, from a hygiene perspective, take in the reusable cups.
Yeah, you can't bring your mug to Starbucks.
Exactly.
Your personal one.
So everybody got turned all the way back around. Now you got to try and turn them around again as the world moves forward.
Mm-hmm.
But if you think about it, it is a lot of cups. Now, I don't know how they're going to do it. Let's see here. As it seeks to phase out single-use cups for its coffee, Starbucks plans to introduce a circular cup program to slowly encourage customers to reuse mugs and cups. Across select cafes, allows customers to pay a small deposit for a reusable cup, which they can return at a contactless return kiosk.
Oh.
Whoa. So this is how they get around the hygiene thing.
Mm.
You go to the return kiosk, it then gets sanitized, and then you're still picking up, because you're part of the program, you go to fresh and sanitize one every time as you leave, like a beer bottle or whatever.
Right. Yeah. That's new age. That's kind of cool.
You know what? Might be a better move.
Yeah.
Than actually everyone lugging around a giant steel container.
Yeah. Are you okay with knowing that your cup was used?
What do you, when you go to the restaurant? What do you got?
I guess so.
Do they give you a new glass every time?
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, dude, it's going to steam it at high heat.
Pressure.
Yeah. Starbucks ain't going to go down like that, Will.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Cool.
Yeah, all right. But that's going to start in South Korea first. I guess they'll see how it goes, and then they go from there.